morning, students. So last period I have discussed problems A star B is LCM of A and B, and even commutative, associative, identity, and inverse. And today, maybe it is the last period. Let star be the binary operation on N, given by A star B is LCM of A and B. Verify the star is commutative and associative. Also find the identity element in star and which element of N are invertible operations star. Now you are asking all the four questions: whether star is commutative, whether star is associative, whether it is identity exists or not, whether it is inverse is existed. If it is exist identity, what is identity? So if it is inverse is exist, what is the inverse? Okay. Now let's start one by one. Now what is given? A star B LCM of A and B. Okay. Then what is the first one? Commutative property. So what is the commutative? That A comma B belongs to what is the n natural number, such that A star B equal to B star. A star B equal to B star. See whether it is both are equal. A star B LCM of A and B. LCM of A and B is same as LCM of B and B. For example, LCM of 2 and 6. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? 6 only. So it is same as LCM of B and D. LCM of A and B is same as LCM of B and D. Now this is called B star. For A star B, LCM of A and B star A, LCM of B and D. So LHS equal to what? RHS. Therefore, star is what? Commutative. Star is commutative. Then what is the next? Associative. Maybe it is associative also property. Not only here, even in HCF of A and B, commutative and associative satisfied. But here also commutative and associative also satisfied. Now what is the question? Second question: associative property. Let A comma B comma C belongs to N such that A star B star C A star of B star C. Okay. A star B star C equal to A star. This is the property only. Now let's start left side. A star B star C. A star B LCM of A and B star C. So this associative property I already explained. Many problems are solved. Associative should take some substitution only. It is very easy to calculate. This is I'm taking X star C. What is X? LCM of A and B. Okay. What is X star according to LCM of X and C. LCM of X and C. LCM of X and C equal to LCM of what is X? X is for LCM of A and B, LCM of A and B. and C. And LCM of A, comma B and C is same as LCM of A, comma B and C. Even for example, LCM of 2 and 3 and 4 is simply LCM of A, 2, 3 and 4. RHS A star B star C. A star LCM of B and C. What is the B star C? LCM of B and C equal to A star Y. I am taking Y is LCM of B and C. A star Y LCM of A and Y. So finally LCM of A and LCM of B comma C. So LCM of A and LCM of B and C is same as LCM of LCM of A comma B and C. So LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, star is associated. On and on. So it is not a difficult problem. Certainly, be careful. Just get it only LHS and R. Very simple. A star B LCM of A and B star A LCM of B. Even 2, 3, 3 will be same now. Same LCM. You take 3 numbers. You check your own examples. You take and try to whether it will get same or not. Better you should take 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Any 3 numbers you should take. Definitely LHS of 3 numbers must be. Both sides are equal. Associated problem. But in CD point proper underline LCM of A and B, when the star is 4 options, now it is commutative and associative. What are the examples? Different students, different styles will be there. So I am taking here some students are not taking without X anything. And these two different students, different only they are right, their own style. But very important, identity is sub same amount. So I got 1, so I got 2. No. 1 means sub to same is answer. But either दोनों में थोड़ा verify ऐसा लिख सकते हैं क्या भी difference like the steps. But identity, if it is 1000 students means 1000 students को हर same is answer. That is identity. So all thousands different answer identities. I told different identity is not possible. Identity must be unique identity. Okay. So I'll put that third one. What is identity? It is identity, existence of identity. So I want E value. Okay. You know what is the identity? Okay. A star equal to A star 1. What is A star 1? LCM of A and 1. LCM of A and 1 is answer A only, because LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2 only. And 1 star A equal to LCM of 190 is equal to 8. Even its reverse also is same. Therefore, A star 1 equal to 1 star A equal to E. Therefore, E equal to 1. A star E star E equal to E. No, equal to. So E equal to 1 belongs to A. E is the identity element. So I written here E equal to 1 belongs to A. the identity element. Now it is the identity element. So maybe in the class 100 students are there. So all the 100 students should be same answer only. No, so I got 2 answers. No, 2 is not correct. 1 is the correct. So I got 3. No, that is wrong. But identity must be same. Unique identity. But in competitive assessment, whatever invent your own step, no problem. Nobody is asking. Even you can redirect, no problem. But here, identity is exists. So what is the identity equal to 1? So very simple. I am repeating one thing. A star 1 equal to LCM of 8, 1 is A. 1 star equal to LCM of 1 is A. What is the law of identity? A star equal to E star equal to A. So just to compare A star equal to E star equal to A, E equal to 1. So 1 must be a natural number. 1 must be a natural number. So maybe natural number means it is not identity. Okay? So anyhow, identity element is 1. But in CET, in multiple choice question, star is A star B equal to A plus A star B equal to LCM of A and B. So the identity element is equal to 4 options. 100% the answer is 1. Okay? It is only natural number. Now what is the fourth one? Inverse number. Inverse property. But here inverse also is exist. Only one inverse is exist. Okay? Only the element. Only the element 1. Only the element 1 is the invertible. Only the element 1 is the invertible for a star on n, because 1 star 1 by 1 equal to 1. So what is the inverse of 1 is 1 only. Inverse of 1 is 1 only. So 1 star 1 by 1 equal to 1. So you remember to shoot LCM of A and B when it is given problems. So this is there in the NCERT textbook, but most of students they are neglecting this problem. Sometimes the question paper are changing. So all the questions are repeated with some style they are changing. So sometimes this question is 5 marks question or it is 3 marks question. These problems very important and community satisfied, associative satisfied, identity you have to remember 1. So inverse, what is the inverse of this is only 1, because invertible only the element 1. Only the element 1 is the invertible for star on n. So because 1 star 1 is 1. So inverse is exist. Inverse is exist. So this problem, all the 4 laws are set. Okay? And similarities HCF. HCF, whether it is HCF. So HCF, so I'll explain that. I'm not explaining. Suppose for example, the next example, same problem. I think commutative associative almost same as it is. Wherever LCM is there, HCF. Now A star B equal to HCF of A. HCF of A. So you try to, whether it is I'll prove that identity and inverse whether it exists or not. But at least you can write 2 laws, commutative and associative. Commutative is very simple. SCF of A and B is the same as FCF of B and A star B equal to B star. So what is the associative? You have to select 3 elements. SCF, first you take B stars, whatever it is. Finally HCF of A, comma B and C. So very simple laws associated commutative. So identity, whether it exists or not. Suppose the identity does not exist, sometimes maybe it is inverse also not inverse. Y. So what is commutative? First one is commutative. Second one is associative. Number 3, identity. And number 4, inverse. So these two, these two, no problem. It's a very simple steps. So identity is whether it is called identity. Identity element exists or not. Now what is A star 1 equal to HCF of A and 1. So you remember questions, HCF of A and 1 answer 1 only, because HCF is highest common factor. Suppose 2 and 1, HCF of HC of 2 and 1, your answer is not 2. But in LCM is 2 will get, but HCF will get 1, because 2 into 1 and 1 into 1. So 1 is the highest common factor is telling. So what is A star 1 equal to HCF of A and 1 is equal to 1. Similarly, at 1 star A equal to HCF of 1 and A. Even this is also called 1 only. Now A star 1 equal to 1 star E. When it is identity exists, it must be A. You remember A star E star A, not E, A only. But here A star 1. It is an element here. A star 1 star A equal to. If it is A is correct, 1 is the identity. But A is not comes, 1 is comes. So this is not equal to what? A. Therefore, the identity element does not exist. Okay? Does not exist. Is there inverse? Inverse. No. Inverse also does not exist. Because no identity means sometimes invertible is not possible. Okay? Okay, followed up? Yes. And please, if you practice commutative, don't make it, please, like Western. So, commutative have to prove associative. Identity explain. A star 1 star is not equal to A. So, not equal to A. Now it is A means identity 1 is, but equal to 1 or I. So identity element does not exist. So this problem is, so if you want question complete, you should go through the textbook and share it in exam, in exercise there question. Just same, almost both are same only. I explained that identity, the meaning of same. The next question. Let set A equal to n cross n. I think maybe order 10, A comma B A. And start with the binary operation. And start with the binary operation. And start with the binary operation on A, defined by A star B, defined by A comma B star C comma D equal to A plus C B plus B, B plus B. So that star is commutative, star is associative, star is commutative, star is associative. Also find the identity element and also find the identity element for star on A if they exist. So if it exists means identity, does not exist. Existence, it must be belong to natural number. Okay? So very simple. In binary operations, it's a very simple commutative and associative. Even I explain associative, you should take x and y. That is also very simple. Okay? The important identity, whether it is asking for commutative or associative, and find the identity if they exist. So what is the given? A equal to A cross N and star with the binary operation on A defined by star is A plus B. The sum of these two and sum of these two, A plus C and B plus B. A plus C and B plus B is given. So it is three questions are there. Then what is the given? Given that A equal to N cross N and star with the binary operation defined by A star, okay, A comma B star C comma D equal to A plus C B plus D. See. Now let's start computing. Very simple, okay? Commutative, there are two elements usually, but here A equal to N cross N means the element only order pair. But they should take two order pairs. Let A comma B and C comma D belongs to what A, not single letters. It is order pair is a element because N cross N. A is N cross means it is nothing but one element. This is second person. Okay, such that A star B equal to B star. A star B equal to, okay, this is such that A comma B star C comma D equal to C comma D star A plus A comma B. This is A plus C B plus B. Okay, simple. A plus C. Now C plus A, D plus B. A plus C, B plus D equal to, this is nothing but, okay. You have to do that equal. A comma B, C comma D belongs to such that A comma B star C plus D. So I am taking it. Okay. 1 minute. When you take A comma B and C comma D belongs to A comma B star C comma D equal to A plus C comma B plus D according to it is given Now what I am taking, this is C plus A. No, it will change? No change. A plus C, C plus A. Now it is D plus D, no change. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, same no. A plus C, C plus A, B plus D, D plus D. This is nothing but C star, C comma D star, A comma B. Now what is the left side? A comma B star, C comma D. A comma B star, C comma D is equal to C comma D star, A comma D. You remember this A star we are assuming this is A. Otherwise you read X is Y, X star Y star X. Therefore, star is what? Commutative. Star is commutative on A. I'll repeat. Okay? How many order pairs you are selecting? 2 order pairs. But what I am telling, order pair only element. There are 2 order pairs. Okay? So A comma B star C comma D according to star is defined. I am telling. A plus C, C plus A equal plus B plus D plus D. So C plus C comma D plus C same as C comma D star A comma D. You can add these without D plus C. So I think star is commutative. Star is commutative. And same thing just adding down. Okay. Now it's associated is better possible. How many order pairs you are selecting? 3. Associative. Let A comma B, C comma D and E comma N belongs to set such that A comma B star C comma D, okay, and the star E comma F equal to A comma B star C comma D star E comma F. There are 3 elements and 3 ordered pairs belongs to set A star B star C, A star of B star formula associative property. Now LHS A comma B star C comma D, okay, star E comma F. A star B star C. Now what is A star of B star C? You know according to the star is defined A plus C comma B plus D star E comma F. Again same sum of these two. You can add these two, you can add A plus C plus C, B plus D plus F. This is the left side answer. So what is the left side? A plus C plus C, B plus D plus F. Whether RHS is same or not. What is the RHS? RHS A comma B star C comma D star E comma F. This is also same answer. If it is same, no association. It will different each one of A plus C plus C. Now A comma B star according to definition C plus C comma D plus F. D plus F. According to star definition A plus C plus C, B plus D plus A. So you see the method same or not, A plus C plus C, A plus C. And both are equal. The star is associative. So LHS equal to RHS, therefore star is associative. Star is associative arm. Commutative and associative. I told already this. Commutative or associative, everybody will get answer. They are taking any room. But identity, I am telling you, identity is very important. Identity is must be unique, no different. I told you repeating. The students, the whole class will get same answer only. No different answer. Okay? So identity is exist now. But instead find the identity element if they exist. If they exist, तो थोड़ा सा check करना possible है. कैसे check करना? Set क्या दिए? N दिए. With that N other N. That order pair is must be belongs to N. Okay, fine. Identity. So third one is identity. Identity. Identity means you have to select two identities because the order pairs no. Now take the red. Better take E1 comma E2 belongs to A. Be the identity element. Yes. So that you know what is the identity now? A star E equal to A. A star E equal to A. A star E equal to. Now here one element you have to select. A comma B is an element A star E A. This is A star E1 comma E2 equal to A comma B. Similarly, reverse also. Whether it is exist or not. If it exists, we go to second case. Both are same. A star E equal to 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 A. What? A star E equal to A. This is the identity. Now, what is according to star is defined A plus E1. B plus E equal to A comma B. A plus E1 equal to A and B plus E2 equal to B. What is E1? E1 equal to 0 and E2 equal to 0. E1 equal to 0 does not belong to A. And E2 equal to 0, 0 does not belong. Therefore, E1 comma, so 0 comma is E1 comma E2. 0 comma 0 does not belong to C. Therefore, the identity element does not exist. Does not exist. So very simple. I am selecting E1 comma E2 is the identity element. This order pair belongs to, be careful, A only. But E1 E2 belongs to what? Natural numbers. इसका element natural number है, इसका order pair A में रहता है. So A star E equal to A. So equating. So you get E1 and E2 both are 0 only. But 0 does not belong to n because natural number. So 0 does not belong to n. Both E1 E2 are not belongs to n. So 0 comma 0 does not belong to x. The identity element does not exist. So these problems, this also is given in NCERT. Just to go through the question, you read carefully and try to answer it. Okay. So very important, I am telling identity, how to solve the identity. When you are practicing this problem now, so revise the second time. You don't practice that R commutative associative. 100 even long. अभी 2 महीने 3 महीने में छोड़ो तो भी commutative associative आते हैं. but it's very difficult identity steps. Okay, but identity steps difficult. So identity also you have to order pair only even comma, but element क्या है a comma b है, a comma b element है even comma b, but a comma b बोले तो इसको a लिखना, even comma e बोले तो e लिखना, a star e equal to e. So both are 0. 0 does not belong to natural number. Order pair does not belong to set A. So the identity element does not exist. This is the question. So one more problem I discuss. Okay. Let's start with the binary operation. Let's start with the binary operation on the set Q. On the set Q is rational number. On the set Q of rational number. Of rational number. Find which of the binary operation are commutative and associative. Also find the identity element. Also find the identity element. If they exist, it's very important. If they exist. Okay. So around problems, 5 problems are there. A star B equal to A minus B. Second problem, A star B equal to A square plus B square. Third problem, A star B equal to A plus AB. Fourth problem, A star B equal to A minus B whole square. Fifth problem, A star B equal to AB by 4. And sixth problem, A star B equal to AB square. But I am not solving all the 5, 6, just 1, 2, 3 problems I will explain. Okay. Almost same only. So what is the question? Very simple question. You check whether commutative associate. I am very sorry. I am not solving commutative associate. Yes, you have to practice. Okay. So commutative associate I am not doing. Okay, only the identity either exists. How to find the identity? Okay. Otherwise, one commutative association, okay, no problem. Okay. So these 6 problems. Let's start with the binary operation on the set Q. Set Q is a rational number. No restriction. Sometime other than 1. ऐसा रहता है. A other than 1 रहता है. Suppose for example Q0 with other than ऐसा. So there is no rational. So Q is the set of rational numbers. Find which of the binary operations are commutative, associative, and find the identity element if they exist. How many problems are there? It's not multiple choice. It's like given 6 problems are there. So every time this question same set with बहुत मुश्किल होता ना. A star B equal to A minus B, A star B equal to A square plus B square, A star B equal to A plus AB, A star B equal to A minus B square, A star B equal to AB by 4. And A star B equal to this, I'll explain identity only. Okay. You got to that. Excellent. Commutative associative. Even I am not associative. It is not difficult. X and Y. Okay. You take all should try to whether it is associative or commutative. So whether I am taking that first problem, identity. So identity you have to check both cases, A star, E star. Repeating once again, students, identity in both cases are different. Identity does not. Identity element must be unique. Okay. So what is the first one? A star given. What is the A star B equal to A minus B. What is the AB? You know, belongs to rational number. A star B equal to A minus B. For all AB belongs to Q. This is the given. Now I want to identity this. Now A star E equal to E star A equal to A. Now taking this is first. A star E equal to A and E star A equal to A. Actually हम दोनों नहीं ले सकते, but if they exist बोले तो लेना पड़ता है. If they exist बोले तो लेना पड़ता है. Because if they exist, sometimes identity does not exist. कुछ भी नहीं, find the identity element to 100%. You should take anyone 100%. If they exist बोले तो इसको दोनों लिखना पड़ते हैं. Okay. Now what is zero? A star A minus E equal to A and E minus A equal to A. A minus E equal to A, E minus A equal to A. What is E? E will be 0 and E equal to 2A. Here 0, here 2A. Different or same one? Very good, different only, very good. Different. Not same. 0 here. Identity exists or does not exist? Does not. Very good. Does not exist. Existed? Does not exist. Okay, this is the rational number, this is rational number. 0 rational number, 2A also rational, but it is, both are different only. So, therefore, here 0 and 2A, the identity element does not exist. Ouch. Yes. Similarly, you can prove that many problems. One I will say that whether both if identity or exist or not. But here, in both cases, 0 and 2A, 0. Sometimes these two rational numbers, but different. But I want unique. So this is very important question. But two questions are left: commutative and associative. So one more, it is very simple. A star B, A minus B whole square. What is A star E? Equal to A star. What is A star E? A minus C whole square equal to A minus C equal to plus or minus whatever. A minus equal to root A, right? E equal to A minus root A. So this is does not belong to R only. Even it is not necessary E star, because here A star E does not, E star is a lesser. So A minus E also is root A. Even plus or minus, definitely plus or minus only. A minus E root A. So plus or minus, plus or minus so E equal to plus or minus A plus or minus does not cancel. Even sometimes complex numbers also will be A value negative. Your negative number also rational number. You take negative rational number, it will be complex number single. So anyhow, A plus or minus A does not belong to R. Therefore, which is identity element is not possible. And here A star भी possible नहीं. फिर कैलकुलेट ले सकते तुम ई स्टार भी नॉट पॉसिबल, इधर पॉसिबिलिटी इसको नहीं होता दोनों। सो आई थिंक हियर इधर इस समझ में आ रही है, नहीं हो रहा है। सो इट इज दैट ओके। सो दिस प्रॉब्लम इट इज आइडेंटिटी एबिलिटी रूट में आ रहा है, डज नॉट ट्रांसफर ओके। So for example, one more is given A star B, AB by 4i. For all AB belongs to. थोड़ा क्लास अच्छे सुनना पड़ता है। I don't neglect it. Students easy problems इसी नहीं होते। That's it for difficult solve कर सकते, but easy नहीं। अब देखो ये प्रॉब्लम सिंपल है। A star B equal to AB by 4. I repeat many times. Even this I maybe third or fourth grade we did a value operation. A star B AB by 4, this number is identical. 4 is identical. But this problem A star B equal to AB by 4, without solving, we know this answer. Star is commutative, star is associative, even identity exists and inverse also exists. Even this A star B AB by this number in generally A star B equal to AB by N. So this is called identity. Identity N. So what is this is called? E is 4. 4 belongs to what? Is identity. Other people are solving A star equal to E star A equal to A. Nowadays E by 4. EA by 4 equal to A. I take these two. AE by 4 equal to A. EA by 4 equal to E. E value 4 and E value 4. Both are same. And 4 belongs to Q. Therefore, identity is 4. Okay? Any other? So 3 chapters. It is a big chapter and most important chapter, and this chapter only the practice. So around 17 classes is over, and start one by one, starting from class number 1 to 17. Just you have to revise. So everything I explained. One is relations and functions, binary operation. And definitely in CET minimum it is 4 to 5 questions are comes. Even 2020 asked for 4 questions. They're very simple. And theory questions they are asking only. So whenever theory is perfect, definitely without it is tricks. Okay, let's tell you that 3 chapters repeating relations, functions, and binary operation. So how many marks will we get? 11 marks, 17. And next still 3 periods are there. Just go through the revision. So even solving multiple choice question also. Okay. Thank you.